In this video, we are going to look how early rounding can affect your final answers and lead you to some incorrect results. So let's have a look at this exercise in which you draw that the circumference of a circle here is 10 centimeters and you need to work out the area. So the circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius, where the area is equal to pi times the radius squared. So you see that to work out the area, we will need the radius that we can get from rearranging this formula here. So the circumference being 10, we can see that the radius will be 10 centimeters divided by 2 pi. And if we work this out on our calculator, we find 1.5915, etc. So now we can actually work out the area, but if you decide to take a truncated value, let's say you want to keep three significant figures, so you take r as being 1.59, and you use this value of r to work out the area, you will find that the area is pi times 1.59 squared, which is 7.94, correct to three significant figures. Okay, so now instead of using this approximation here, let's use the answer key on our calculator and just work out the area as being pi times our answer with the réponse key or with the answer key on your calculator squared. And if you do this, you will find out that the area is actually equal to 7.96, correct, to three significant figures again. So you can see that the value of r here, which is not really what we need to work out, what we want to work out is the area. So this is an intermediate result. We don't really care about this value, but we just need it to get to our final result. So if you round this value of r, you will see that you will find the value for the area, which is different from what you could have got if you'd taken like a better precision, a better accuracy for the value of the radius. So this is what this classic mistake with early rounding is all about. If you have an intermediate result like r here, just keep as many digits as you can to get the most accurate possible answer. And just to finish, if you really want to keep the best accuracy possible, you can leave r in its exact form, in terms of pi, as 10 over 2 pi. And so this means that here you could get the area as pi, that multiplies 10 over 2 pi squared. And if you type this in your calculator, you get maximum accuracy, which is again here 7.96, correct to three significant figures.